Hi there, it's Richard Timpson of Richard Timpson Solicitors. I'm providing you with another video today dealing with the 10 most frequently asked questions that I get in my legal practice. The question I want to explore today is quite a common one that I get, and that is my visa application that I have made has been refused. What can I do? Now, this is a situation that I get all the time with people that have made applications, either themselves or through other representatives, and this happens to them. It's extremely important that you get advice at this stage, because the difficulty that you have is that in circumstances where you hold a bridging visa, as a result of the refusal decision, it may be the case that your bridging visa will expire within a period of 28 days after the date that you're taken to have been notified of the decision. So in those circumstances, unless you do something about it, you may have to leave Australia within that time period. Secondly, and perhaps the most pressing situation that you'll face is that in circumstances where you have a refusal and you don't hold another substantive visa, so if you're on a bridging visa in other words, you're then potentially captured by the operation of Section 48 of the Migration Act. Section 48 of the Migration Act will prevent you from making another application for a visa in Australia. So the question then must be asked, what can I do if I get a refusal? Well, under the Migration Act and the regulations, in certain circumstances it is possible to have those decisions appealed, and yes, you can remain in Australia whilst that appeal process is taking place. But the important thing to note is that not every refusal is reviewable, and only certain persons can actually apply for review in relation to the refusal decision. So if you are looking to make an appeal, it's key obviously that you get advice on it straight away, because there's very, very strict statutory time limits in relation to the period that you have to appeal. If you don't apply within those time periods, not that you lose the opportunity, the tribunal simply has no jurisdiction to assess your claims in that regard. The alternative solution is that if you get a refusal, and so as to avoid the operation of that section that I've referred to previously, it may be possible for you to go offshore and make an appropriate application, assuming you have prospects, that is. So look, if you're in that situation and you get a refusal, going through an appeals process can be, for a lot of people, a successful pathway for them. It's your opportunity to have your claims assessed again, and it's really important that it's done properly, because effectively it is your last bite of the proverbial cherry at that stage. If you're looking for advice in that respect, we're certainly able to assist you, and we would recommend that you get in touch with this office either by email at reception@richardtimpson.com.au, or on one of our various telephone numbers, the Mackay office, which is 4957 4922, or alternatively our Brisbane office, which is 3054 7144. And finally, our website, which is www.richardtimpson.com.au. Thank you very much.